Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Red color. A. A for apricot. Pink color. B. B for butterfly. Yellow color. C. C for carrot. Blue color. D. D for donkey. Dark green color. E. E for eggplant. Brown color. F. F for frog. Purple color. G. G for girl. Brown color. H. H for house. Dark green color. I. I for eyes. Pink color. J. J for joker. Blue color. K. K for kite. Purple color. L. L for lemon. Red color. M. M for mango. Yellow color. N. N for nest. Yellow color. O. O for owl. Light green color. P. P for papaya. Q. Q for queen. Brown color. R. R for ring. Blue color. S. S for star. Pink color. T. T for tomato. Green color. U. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V. V for vegetable. Pink color. W. W for watermelon. Blue color. X. X for xylophone. Brown color. Y. Y for yak. Purple color. Z. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.